Hey everyone, we've got a nice classic vintage 69 Chevy C10 pick-em-up truck, and I'm going to say it's better than new. It's a complete body off frame restoration. They did an outstanding job, and I say it's better than new because of the finish, upgraded wheels, tilt wheels, stereo, all new wiring system. Go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a monthly payment and the price tag, including this one right here. But right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, when I say it's a classic, it's a short body, it's the two-tone. I mean, this looks like a 69 Chevrolet pickup truck. We've got them custom, wildly custom as well, but this one is vintage. And again, the fit finishes are outstanding. Absolutely laser beam straight. That's where it's better than it was from the factory. This is absolutely pristine all the way underneath the rocker, not even dusty. All absolutely clean, laser beam straight. Look at the jams. Door shuts so easily. Nope, I think they're quite hard enough. The bed is absolutely immaculate. No dents, no damage, all of this. It even feels slick to the touch like Teflon. There's not a dimple. I don't see any flaws. And I did not say there are no flaws. I'm saying I can't find any. It's like a mirror down here at the bottom. All the body lines are right on the money. Look at this nice little clean line right around the wheel well. None of it's wavy or bondoed up. Cab corners are clean. The pinch welds down here are nice and clean. And the jams are all slick. It was taken down to a bare cab. They media blasted it. And this whole truck is painted. I don't know if they call that Hugger orange on the truck or not, but it's the orange and white, beautiful two-tone. And again, this finish is as nice as some of our best restored show cars we have. I don't even see a nick or a crack or a pimple or anything. Nope, that wiped off. And then all of the trim, the bow tie, the bumper, all of this has been replaced. A few light scratches on top here, probably from someone's ring, rubbing the grill a little bit when they open the hood. This has the custom moldings. It's called custom, but it's stock. All the emblems, all the trim is all redone, replaced, new mirror, even the vent window frames, the wiper arms, handles, all been replaced. Marker lights are replaced. The windshield, the vent windows, and the back window were all replaced. All the rubber seals and gaskets were replaced. The door windows that they did not replace are actually in really good shape. All these moldings, look at the Chevrolet, the tail light lenses, the bumper, all of that is like brand new. Gas cap, got the 396 emblem. Now it is upgraded with 18-inch Ridler wheels. They look brand new as well. Even on the back side of them, they're shiny and polished, and they're wrapped in some nice performance tires. And you can see the four-wheel disc brakes behind them. Let's open it up. I got a big block to show you. Now this is when they made tailgates. I love the sound that these tailgates make. It's just nostalgic for me. But look inside this thing. It looks like it's only been hauling feathers and cotton balls. Absolutely excellent condition, all painted beautifully. You subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon, and you'll be notified when new videos are posted. Yeah, this paint must have coating on it. It is slick as can be. So like I said, the whole inside of the cab too was media blasted, and it was epoxy primed, all painted, new door latches, new sill plates, has the deluxe interior, deluxe door panels, armrest, window cranks, handles, those were all replaced. Again, all new wiring. It has an updated push-in fuse block, all new gauges. So there's 3,300 miles on this truck since it's been done. There's a tachometer, and then the oil pressure, temp gauge. The instrument panels replaced, the dash pad. That's a retro stereo. The heater control panel, all that is excellent. Even inside here, the liner's new. There must be a wheel lock on the wheels. Kick panels, even up inside here, this whole mechanism looks like it's fresh. The heater box is restored. New carpet, reproduction mats on the floor. All these receipts go with it. There's some good receipts in here. I went through here about the engine and the rear end and all that sort of stuff. So it has the matching deluxe upholstery with that like embossed, like kind of, I call it like a Western imprint in the seat. It's all been replaced. So the whole inside of the cab was painted. It has the deluxe headliner, new visors, new mirror. And then the steering wheel is original, but it's on a tilt column, which is real nice. So it's practically like brand new inside the truck as well. And again, they kept with the nostalgia, original type appearance. So that's a 396, actually a Chevelle motor, 396, completely rebuilt, bored 30 over, 10.5 to 1 compression. It's got a thumper cam in it. They reground the crank and the heads, new valves, new springs. It has an Edelbrock aluminum intake. It's got a dual feed Holley carb. It has an HEI distributor hiding back there. New chrome valve covers, an air cleaner. You can see the fiberglass heater box looks like new, and how everything is painted, and the wires, and just the closer you look, everything is like new. There's a Delco battery topper. All the metal is smooth, painted, clean. So it keeps cool with the aluminum water pump, aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. Then we got power steering. The alternator looks new. New power brake system with the cadmium plated booster. The squirters are hooked up. Just very neat, tidy, clean, fresh, new. Michael's going to show you how nice it rides. Underneath here is sprayed with like a chip guard. Keeps the heat from damaging the paint and keeps it quieter. But yeah, Michael's going to demonstrate the truck, and we'll see in a few minutes.
Everybody, what a pickup truck, let me tell you. Really stands out in our showroom. Totally loving it. And gets better, of course. Get in, turn the key, fires right up for me. Nice, really strong running 396 under the hood. Really stout sounding exhaust also. Totally in love. 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission. Get out and do some cruising with this one. Put your sweetheart up on the bench seat, cuddle up. That's where I would be. Tilt column is nice to have also. And these gauges are really nice and easy to get very crisp colors on them. We do have the heater on because it's a little bit of a chilly day. And yeah, let's see what she's got. Just like that, we're doing 60 miles an hour. Heck yeah, she boogies. I'm liking this one. No doubt about it. You have a lot of fun, look really good, and yeah. This one does it for me. See how she goes down the road. Nice and straight alignment. Really done up nice. Great frame off build. Somebody's gonna get an absolute winner. So come down to the museum and test drive it for yourself. If you don't take my word for it, you're always welcome here. And check out all the details at volocars.com.
So ready to hear what a real tailgate sounds like? Nice metal sound. So you know what a chalkboard looks like? It's just smooth as can be. That's what underneath this truck looks like. It's amazing. The floors, the braces, the frame, the chassis components. There's like not even a pit under there. All smooth, clean metal, painted a satin black. Steering and suspension was all rebuilt. The tie rod ends, the ball joints, the springs, the shocks. Same thing in back. All been redone. It has a nice dual exhaust system made for the truck with a crossover pipe, Flowmaster mufflers. Again, the brake system was completely replaced, the brake lines and everything. And it is upgraded with drilled and slotted discs at all 4 of the wheels. When you look up at the motor, it still looks brand new. The brass freeze plugs are clean. The starter looks new. It has the flywheel cover. Fuel pump's new. All looks new. And it is upgraded with a 700 R4 overdrive automatic transmission, so you can just cruise with this truck. Custom made and balanced drive shaft. Goes back to a rebuilt rear end with 342 gears in it. So a super nice truck. The more I looked at it before we started here, the more impressed I am. And it rarely works that way. The closer you look at something, usually you find little things about it, but this one only got better and better. Go to volocars.com. Sales can help answer your questions, including how to get this 69 C10 big block short bed truck delivered to your home. If you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.